Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another interesting video. Please click on the subscription button if you're new, and also on the notification button so you'll be notified on our future uploads. In today's video, I share a recipe that can help you solve all your natural hair problems, especially if your hair is balding. This will stop it, and it will also darken your hair with consistent use. This recipe will also moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized for long. My very first ingredient for today's recipe is papaya leaf. I removed the stalk because it's not needed. That's why you can only see the leaves. As you already know, this is not the only video that I have with papaya leaves on this channel. So kindly check my other videos on this amazing leaves. So please kindly check my other videos on papaya leaves. Here is a little background information about papaya. Papaya is referred to as the fruit of the angels because of its multiple benefits. Everyone desires and deserves to flaunt luscious and healthy strands not at the cost of coating your hair with chemicals. What if I tell you that you can achieve the hair of your dreams with a delectable superfood like papaya leaves? Yes, you can consume papaya leaves. It promotes hair growth, it controls dandruff, conditions the hair deeply, balances a sebum production, stimulates collagen production, provides shine, darkens hair. So I just pounded the leaves. Make sure you wash it and leave it to dry before pounding, just so you don't introduce microorganisms in your hair or germs in your hair. Moving on, my next ingredient is olive oil. I chose olive oil because it's everyone's favorite. You can use coconut oil, you can use castor oil, whichever oil you have that is carrier oil. Please feel free to use that. I used half a cup of olive oil. My next ingredient is castor oil. I know you guys are not familiar with this brand of castor oil. This is the type of castor oil that are sold in pharmacies. This type of castor oil works wonders in hair. Trust me, try it out and see the difference. This is not Jamaican black castor oil or any other castor oil sold out there. This one is different. So I measured out 2 tablespoons of this castor oil into my bowl. Next, I lit my stove, poured some water in a pot, and then placed on the stove and brought to a boil. Please do not pour too much water. This is called double boiler method. Once the water started boiling, I placed my bowl containing the papaya mix in it and began stirring. Allow this in this double boiler stand for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's 20 minutes mark, depending, you will know that this is ready once the oil starts to settle on the top, like so. What you can see in the video. So once you notice that, bring down the bowl and allow to cool down completely before you sieve. For the sieving process, I'm making use of my beaker and a strainer. I'll go ahead and press that to release all the oil in it. So if you don't press it, all the oil will be stuck on the paste and won't come out. So after sieving, here is what I have. So this is super potent. This oil can be used for your pre-poo if you like, but we are making a moisturizer with it. Try to decant that into a bigger bowl. That's where you're going to be mixing in other ingredients. So for my next ingredient, I have this African shea butter, original African shea butter that I got in Nigerian markets. Just go to the market, you will see some ladies that come with original African shea butter. This butter is not up to $50, so 200 naira. That's what I bought it. So place water on fire again and then place that in it. Also, this is the papaya oil. and the shea butter. The goal is to melt this and combine these ingredients. So you can hasten up the process by using your spatula to smash the butter, just so the oil doesn't change color so much. As soon as the butter melted, I turned off my heat and brought out the bowl containing my shea butter mix. So I left it to cool before covering to put in my fridge. So sorry, this is freezer, not fridge. So I just left it in there for just 10 minutes. If it's refrigerator, you can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes depending. So once it was time, I brought it out. Just make sure this doesn't block. Just let it be this consistency, just the way you can see mine. Just leave yours that. Just keep checking if you put it in the freezer. But if it's in the refrigerator, just give it 15 to 20 minutes, then bring it out and whip. With the help of my hand mixer, I began whipping this butter, trying to make it fluffy and all that good stuff. I will allow you to watch this process for a bit and appreciate the fluffiness of this butter. Then I will return to add the final ingredients. So moving on, my final ingredient is vitamin E oil. I also got this from the pharmacy. Just go to the pharmacy and ask of vitamin E oil capsule. So I cut that open with my scissors. I used 2 capsules basically with my scissors and then started whipping again just to combine that. Next is to transfer that into my container. This container came from my old moisturizer, so you just wash it, sterilize it, and use it to put your DIY hair butter. So you don't need to buy this. You just, any empty can you're no longer using, just wash it and keep for your DIY hair butter. So I tested it out on my hand. So I just placed a little there and then massaged it into my hand. Can you see how moisturizing this is? I'm so sorry I'm not going to be demonstrating how to use this butter in this video. That's because my hair is packed in a bun and I'm not ready to untie that. But this butter can be used to seal in all the moisture, can be applied on your problem areas and give yourself a massage. You can apply this on your scalp and massage your scalp for hair growth. If you have bald patches, apply this on those areas and then give yourself a gentle massage. You can also apply it on your hair shaft, apply your leave-in conditioner, then seal with this hair butter for super moisturized hair. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching.